times a day. I was just passing by and I just reached my house, which is just behind this building, this is Tukle Bhavan, and my building is just behind. I just passed and I heard some noise and I parked the car and I came running to see what happened. Go to see, I saw this tree fallen. So it was just a question of maybe a minute that I was saved today. Otherwise this tree would have been a cause of another death. As you all know that there have been so many deaths taking place by this falling of the trees and uprooting of the trees. Just yesterday, one lady has died in Sanjora who was on the bike and who was with her daughter. Her daughter is still serious that her mother died because of the falling of the tree. So the government should look upon this, what is happening. If you go to see the Butler Road also, there are all trees are weak. The road from Kampal to the market, that is the Kala Academy road, all trees are so scary even to pass by. So I feel the government should take a note upon these trees, and instead of people, innocent people dying. It's not the question that we don't love trees. We can make more trees, but we can grow more trees, but we cannot get the life of anybody. Today maybe there would have been so many lives gone, but it was God's grace that we all got saved. We have Lourdes Chapel over there, and Mother Mary of Lourdes, I think, has protected us today. And that's all I can say.
झाड अराउंड 3-3:30 दरम्यान आयज वाऱ्याच्या हितून आज 2 दीस जाले कंटिन्यू पावस पडटा हांगा. त्या पावसाच्या हितून तो त्या झाडाचो जो वेट आनी जी रस्त्यार झाडां आसा ती पयलीं कितें कट करतना ती आप पोजिशन कट करतकच ती एक सायड तेजी ते बॅलन्सींग चुकता. तशी मागीर वाऱ्यान ती पडटा, तेच्या आयज पडले आनी जिवन आनी जावना. कित्याक एकटो वयतालो, ते वयता तो वाचलो म्हणजे कित्याक माडा खातीर तो वाचलो. ते झाड माडाचेर पडलें, ते स्लो तितलो तेजो देंवपाचो टेम्परेचर कमी जालो 1 सेकंडाक. ताका त्या भुरग्याक तो मातसो चान्स पडलो भायर येवपाक. नाजाल्यार तो भुरगो जिवन आनी जावपाय तेजें.
ओके.
ताका मातशें लागलें ताका सुटय. आनी हें झाड कमीत कमी 30-40 वर्सां पयलींचें आनी भुरगेपणासून हांगासून पळयता.
ओके.
खूब जुनें झाड आनी अशीं खूब अशीं झाडां आसा रस्त्यांचेर.
सारकें एक्झॅक्ट हांगा कितें म्हणटा?
लुटीस कपेल, सल्टिनेस, पणजी.